Caloocan opening up a 15-point lead, 68-53. Gustong dagdagan ni Paul Sanga, and he does. He connects on a free.
Grabe. Grabe itong Caloocan.
See them outscore
Yeah.
Ilagan after a very tight first two quarters.
Yeah, 34-15. That's a 19-point edge for that third quarter.
JL to Otep. Floater no. Gabayni gets it back. In front of him, Sumoda gets the back shot to go.
While Caloocan is making those shots, ang Ilagan naman, medyo hirap na hirap makascore dito dahil sa binibigay na depensa ng Caloocan. Ay, ng Ilagan nga dito. Nahihirapan nga makascore dito ang Ilagan sa binibigay na depensa ng Caloocan.
Paul Sanga. Sumoda rolls in. Kanina pa si Jesse Sumoda nakakatanggap ng mga pasa.
Another good two-man game by the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Nawawala yung help ng ng Ilagan eh.
Yung secondary defender, no?
Defender.
Because every time a guy rolls, walang tumutulong nga, like to your point. And dito sa transition din, nobody stopping the ball and the cutter. JJ Manlangit off that pass from Kian Baclaan.
Walang stop ball.
Oh. 75-55. Caloocan blowing this game wide open. De Los Santos tries a free. Off. One and done by Ilagan Isabela. Tatakbo si Jello Razon. Fouled from behind by JL De Los Santos.
And the transition defense is of the Ilagan Isabela Cowboys is kind of slow already.
Finally, De Los Santos getting a breather after playing almost the entire third period.
Quarter, halos di pinalitan eh.
And that's gonna be something worth watching out for if you're Ilagan Isabela, that point guard spot. Dahil last season, si AJ Miranda was still with them. Obviously, he's not with them anymore this season.
Malaking bagay yung pagkakawala ni AJ Miranda na sa kanila.
Shot creator din kasi. Rivero to Kawilan. Coco Pingoy. Short on the three-point attempt. Rebound nakuha ni Jesse Sumoda. Sumoda playing good minutes for Caloocan. Baclaan! They will review this if it merits an unsportsmanlike foul because Baclaan got fouled hard by Pingoy.
Nabutas eh, yung pagpihit ni Baclaan going to his left, naiwan si Jerry Pingoy.
Yeah.
It was a hard foul by Coco Pingoy.
Yeah. Oh, they upgrade it. It's an excessive hard contact criteria. I'm not sure though, although
Parang no intention to hurt naman. Hinabol niya lang. Nauna lang talaga ng couple of steps si
di naman kasi sa
sa
ulo.
ulo.
But if you're Ilagan Isabela, again, especially on the defensive end, which to Andrea's report, dun pa sila nangangapa lalo eh.
Totoo.
That side of the floor because they're having a hard time keeping in front of their man. No? Kanina pa eh, daming mga triple penetration nangyari.
Nabubuta sila eh. Yung rotation sa depensa nawawala pa. Pero yan, mare-recover nila yan. Knowing Coach Louie, knowing the system, knowing their assistant coaches, they will recover this.
Kaya naman may pre-season tayo. Yan naman ang purpose nito. 77-55. Baclaan, one-on-one against Prince Rivero. Three-point shot, still no go. Coco Pingoy. Sa poste sila pupunta ay Prince Rivero. Pass outside to Ona. Kawilan, long three. Rebound ending up with JJ Manlangit. Razon. Baklaan. Empty side pick and roll with Sumoda. Baklaan gets it to the teeth of the defense. Getting it over Miguel Ona.
Grabe yung tinira na yun ni Kian Baklaan. That's the 11th point of Kian Baklaan in this ball game.
Miguel Ona draped all over him. $79-55. Miguel Ona answers back with a three. But a lot of ground to make up if you're Ilagan Isabela.
Still an 11-point lead.
Baklaan pumasok sa loob. Ayaw. Manipe is the digital wallet built for the community. Pingboy turns down the shot. Ona to Kawilan. Back to Coco Pinggoy. Wants a clear out. Working with Rivero. Coco Pinggoy outside to Prince. 4-3. Short. Rebound again. JJ Manlangit. Manlangit! Count it! Plus a foul!
They're just attacking the defense of the Ilagan Isabela Cowboys. At will na-atake lang nila
Paulit-ulit.
Pero hindi rin natin kasi sunod-sunod na rin yung game ng Isabela. May ano na rin yan, may pagod na rin nakasama.
Factor, no?
Oo, may factor yan.
Then you see Baklaan. Tough defense, but better offense for Baklaan on that trip. 58-81. Caloocan. 23-point lead. Intes yung tira galing sa labas. One and done again by the Cowboys. JJ fires, no. Offensive rebound going to the way of Caloocan. Past the halfway point of the fourth. Kian getting to his spot. Bumps down the mid-range J.
Kanina was 11-point lead, nagulat ako, hindi pala 11. Mali yung pagkakabasa ko. Lobo na pala.
Oh, 25 na. Bola na agaw ni Coco Pinggoy. Celebrico stops on the dime. Setting up Ona, got rejected up top by Jake Gaspay. Razon forcing his way in, and he scores. $85-58. And basket from Coco Pinggoy. 85-61. Under 4 minutes left in the fourth. Paul Sanga lines it up. Can't connect on the three. Celebrico pitching it ahead. JP Kawilan will lay it in. Extreme ang subok at kompletong compliance brand ng Pilipinas. 3:30 remaining in the fourth quarter. And Caloocan, should they continue on to win this one, this probably is their most impressive game
Yes,
of the preseason, Coach Vic.
At hindi lang yun, may mga darating pa raw na player dito. Hindi ko lang sigurado pero yun yung balita, may mga players pa silang kinuha.
May timeout for the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu with 3:11 left in the fourth. 20-point lead for Caloocan, 85-65. We'll be right back. 3 minutes and 11 seconds left in the fourth quarter. At lamang pa rin ang Caloocan ng 20 puntos laban sa Ilagan Isabela. 85-65. Muli po Ken Pangilinan still with Coach Vic Icasiano. And Ian Baclaan, Dom Escobar having their better outputs, combining for 28 points between the two of them. Baclaan setting up Razon for free, no. Rebound Prince Rivero. Ilagan Isabela trying to catch up, but they're running out of time. Double cross by Pingoy. Boko inside, wala. At rebound nakuha ni Jake Caspay. Razon. Caloocan has the numbers. Pingoy late to get back on defense, but Caspay shuffled his feet.
2 consecutive stops there by the Ilagan Isabela. Nagpalit na sila ng ng defense nila. They're now playing zone defense for the Ilagan Isabela team.
Rivero. Miguel Ona sa 3, short. Rebound ni Dom Escobar. Dom Escobar, 15.6 rebounds to go along with 2 steals and 1 block. All-around performance for the former Ateneo Blue Eagle standout. We're down to our last 2 minutes. Paul Sanga. Oops. Caspay, Ona, jostling for position.
Minasahe lang ng konti.
Gusto mo nang magpamasahe kung masakit na yung katawan.
Minasahe lang ng konti ni Ona si Caspay.
By the way, shoutout ko lang si Coach Mike Perez nanonood sa atin. Kung alam mo to, Coach Mike, good friend ng iyong butihing kapatid na si Coach Pao.
Oo, ni Coach Pao.
Diba?
Kasama yan, dalawa na yan. Maganda. Good evening, Coach Mike.
Oo. At balita ko, when you brought them to a championship, itong SCI daw, ang player mo daw dati, ngayon coach na, si Coach James Tolentino.
Yes, oo.
Diba? Point guard mo daw.
Point guard ko si James Tolentino.
Ngayon, he's a coach with San Beda Alabang, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. Dati magkasama sila doon ni Coach Pao.
Oo. Miguel Ona, one-hander, no. Jake Caspay with a rebound. Alam ko, may foul. Nakawala lang si Jake Caspay. But nonetheless, this looks like a victory for Caloocan.
Yes, everything but the final score.
And shaky start in the first half, Coach Vic. But what do you make of this second half run that Caloocan made here?
Basically it's their defense. Yung pagkakatiin, the two-guard combination of Caloocan really made them well. Ganda nung start nila nung second half.
So anong pinasok talaga si Bakuma and Palencia.
Yes, yung dalawa talaga, the two-guard combination na yun talaga nagpalamang sa Caloocan.
And those are 2 guys that probably the last people you would think of in terms of scoring, di ba? Pero
Yes.
yung depensa nga na pinakita nila, which really forced turnovers.
Yes, yun yung nag-iba ng complex ng game.
The complexion of the game.
Yeah.
Kasi from there on,
Wala na.
Caloocan just made their run.
Tsaka nabuhay yung bench Nabuhay nung dalawang guard, the two guard nila na yung buong bench ng Caloocan biglang ginanahan. And kaya yan na, lumobo na yung score.
And also, you have to also factor in yung schedule din ng Ilagan Isabela. They've played 5 games already.
Yeah, sunod-sunod din
Tapos puro malalakas kasi.
Medyo, yung isang game pa doon was an overtime win
Oo.
against Marikina, yes.
Actually, yung Group B, when you think about it, ang lakas din talaga
Malakas yun. Yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin start of this ball game, di ba? Yung team standings, talagang yung Group B, siksikan
Yeah. Kahit yung Marikina, who still has yet to register a win, pinahirapan nila lahat ng mga tumalo sa kanila. But credit Caloocan for getting this win over a very game Ilagan Isabela 5-star Cowboys. And they remain on top of the group. Hinahabol lang nila dyan ang San Juan at Quezon. They're still firmly in line for that number 1 spot, lalo
Yes,
magtatapat pa sila ng Quezon.
Oo, totoo. Lalaban pa sila ng Quezon. So, they're still in, para dun sa, sa number 1 spot.
And our best player of the game easily is finest performance as a pro, Dom Escobar.
Yes, ang ganda ng dito linaro ni Escobar. Not only on offense, we're talking about defense. Blocking shots, getting those rebounds, executing for his teammates. Marami, giving that screens. All-around performance here by Escobar.
But more importantly, the comfort level he showed compared to his first couple of games. Kitang-kita dito and really acclimating himself to a totally different team from what he had with Ateneo. Now he's in the professional ranks, helping Caloocan Batang Kankalu get this win over the Ilagan Isabela 5-star Cowboys, 85-65. And now, let's go courtside to Miss Andrea Indicia.
Thank you so much, Ken. First of all, Dom, congratulations. At the start of the second half, you guys were still down. Was that the cue for you to step up for your team in the third quarter? Actually, you and Prince Casson, you guys went all around during that quarter.
Like you mentioned, we were down second half, and I knew that our team needed a spur of energy. So, coming out into the second half, I would say I came in very locked in, very focused, and just try to pay attention to the little details defensively and offensively.
One more thing, when you guys were getting the right mix, the right rotations in the second half, did it feel lighter or was the movement easier for you and the rest of the team?
Yeah. Once we're all on the same page, it's hard to stop us. We have a very deep team from the first guy to the last guy, and as long as we're on the same page, our offense is easy to execute, and everyone gets a score in it.